Hi everyone, welcome to the unboxing and review of the Crenova Multimedia Projector. You can get this product on Amazon for about $250. Check out the link in the description. The projector comes with an HDMI cable, an AV cable, a power adapter, a remote control, a cleaning cloth and a user manual. Unfortunately, the user manual is a little bit short and only tells you about the projection methods and the different connections. The projector is equipped with all important buttons, so you don't need the remote control to use it. It is compatible with lots of different devices. The projector has a lot of different settings which you can manually change for picture quality, sound quality, or what kind of projection mode you use. Unfortunately, the settings are not explained in the user manual, so you have to figure it out by yourself or contact the seller. First, I try the projector with my Blu-ray disc player connected with an HDMI cable. It works as expected and the picture quality is pretty good. Watching a movie on my USB stick also works without any issues. I don't like the quality of the built-in speakers, but if I connect the projector to my soundbar, I get a pretty good sound. I tested the projector for about a week and I think it's a very good product. There could be a little bit more information in the user manual, but other than that, it's a great addition to my home theater. So if you're looking for a full HD projector for your home theater, I would recommend the Crenova Multimedia Projector. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.